Hey guys, so today I've got this month's Witch box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box, but they do ship it worldwide. So it's £32 including shipping to the UK, £36 including shipping to Europe, and £40 including shipping to the rest of the world. I do also have a discount code which is for 10% off, and that is NewWitch10%. So I'll put that here on the screen and down below as well in case you want to go and check them out. But we are just going to open this. So like I said, this is this month's box, so this is the July box, and I haven't opened this yet. I don't know what the theme is, nothing like that. So right on the top we have our little booklet that tells you about the items in the box as always, and the theme for this one is phases of the moon apparently. So that's our little booklet. Then we've also got this on top. I don't know if this is supposed to be a little art print or just a little note card, but it says "To the Moon and Back," and it's got a little cat and a moon on there. And then on the back of here it says "Moon Chant. Write your own or record your favourite moon chant here." So I think that is probably a little art print kind of card that we've got. And then this is what it looks like. It says "Magical secrets lie within." Okay, so I think the theme is purple from the tissue and the little worms that are in here. And right on top we've got a little pouch. So in here we have this, which I'm going to assume is like a little necklace. I am going to actually go to the booklet to see what this is supposed to be, because I don't want to like tell you some wrong information. So this apparently is a new moon wishing bottle, it says. So we've got a teeny tiny little bottle on the end of this cord here, which is like a necklace, and it's got a little cork in the top. And it says, "The new moon carries with it the energy of new beginnings. Therefore, it's the perfect time to make your wish. Write your wish on a small scrap of paper and insert it into the bottle. Then wear the bottle around your neck until the full moon." So that is a cute little tiny teeny bottle little necklace. Then next we have what is usually our little spell kit for the month, and this is a moon braid kit, it says. So I will open this and show you what is in here. So it says, "Making a moon braid is a meditative act, and the finished braid can be used to decorate your home or your altar." So you get a white, a silver and a black little ribbon. You get a hanging loop, which is this, and you get a little mini moonstone as well. So that's everything that comes in the spell kit. And then this is the instructions on the back. So I will hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it or write it down. And that was our little moon braid kit. Then next we've got our little gemstone for the month in a little purple pouch, and this one is a snow quartz apparently. So it's just like a little white chunk. There's not really any colours or anything like that in it. It does have some more clear parts in there, but it's mainly just white. And for this one it says, "Also known as moon quartz, milky quartz or white quartz. This gentle stone encourages compassion, understanding and can remove negative thoughts. It can offer support when we are finding life difficult and can allow us to see a situation more clearly. Holding it can remind us to think before we speak, and it is therefore useful to anyone dealing with languages, advisors or those in the legal field. It is also aligned to the third eye and can be useful if connecting with a spirit guide or our higher self, and in spell work it can be used as a substitute for clear quartz and will give a softer touch to spells." So that is our crystal for the month, a snow quartz. Then next we have a very unusual item, and we've got a little candle which is kind of like a sun and a moon, and this is from the brand Candle Bougie. It's a purple, like a dark purple colour. It's got little faces on it, and I'm assuming you would stand it up this way because the wick is up here at the top. Very pretty little decorative item if you didn't want to burn it. Doesn't really have any scent or anything like that. So this is called the Face of the Sun and Moon apparently. Little candle. Oh, then next we have a spell kit. So the last one is probably not supposed to be a spell. It's probably supposed to just be like an activity. We have a little spell kit here in a box. So this one is a spell to banish negativity. And in here we have a little incense cone, a little piece of like a twine kind of stuff, a little purple pouch, and some juniper berries and nutmeg, which seem to be ground up. And then this is our little instructions. So again, I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. It says, this spell is designed to allow you to let go of negative feelings and focus on the positive. It should be performed on a waxing moon. So this is what the instructions say. And that was our little negativity spell kit. Then next we've got a little drinks coaster. So it's black with a gold moon and stars on there. It's very shiny. And it's got a little cork bottom. Very cute little decorative item. And then we've got two things left before our scroll. So this one is a little moon phases for spell work print. We've got new moon, waxing moon, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter and waning crescent. And it shows you what they look like, it shows you what they all mean, stuff like that. So that is very cute. Again, you could use that as an art print, or you could just use it if you have like a book of shadows or as an altar item, whatever you want. And then the last item and the biggest item is a book, which I don't know if we've had before from them, I'm not too sure. But this is called Moon Meditations, 365 Nighttime Reflections for a Peaceful Sleep. And it's super pretty. It's got all this sparkly bits on the cover. Hopefully you can see that. Very glittery. It says, put your worries aside for the evening and use the power of the moon to find the calm before bedtime. Let these soothing meditations accompany you every night of the year, illustrated with stunning artwork. Moon Meditations allows you to embrace the relaxation and restorative sleep each night has to offer. You'll be able to tune out any distractions that hinder your rest while also letting go of negativity in prioritizing your needs. So, oh, it has like the dates on it as well, which is really cute. So January is for empowerment, February self-love, March patience, etc, etc. And this is what it looks like inside. Very cute, all different kinds of colours of purples. Love that. So let's see, maybe I'll read one to you real quick. What date is it today? 25th of July. So 25th of July, presence takes practice. The mind loves to entertain itself. It finds the outside world endlessly fascinating. So when you bring your attention inward, you may feel distracted, frustrated, or restless. Remind yourself of your personal motivations for meditating and remember that everything takes practice. So that was today's little one. So yeah, love that, very cute. Love that it's sparkly as well. Nice little book to get. And then we have our scroll, so I will quickly undo this and show you what it says. So this says, drawing down the moon. This is an ancient ritual practiced on the full moon and can be deeply moving and personal experience, apparently. So again, I will hold this up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And yeah, that was everything in the witch box for this month. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the two little art prints. One is moon phases for spell work and one says to the moon and back. The little moon braid kit. The little wish bottle necklace. The snow quartz crystal. The little drinks coaster. The spell kit to banish negativity. The very cute little sun and moon face candle, and the book, the Moon Meditations book. So that was everything in the Witch box for July. I did really like this one. I liked the theme. I love this little book, very cute. And this candle as well. I feel like my mum will really like this candle. It's not really my kind of thing, but I feel like she'll like that. And the coaster is really cute as well, all the little bits. So yeah, I thought it was a pretty good box. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I will put all of the information for them in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.